Okay, guys, we're going live. Thanks everyone for buying into the auctions and participating. I'm going to run the random for the prizes now. Just go in here. See, there's a list. There's 2,335 entrants in this time. Actually, let's go all the way to the bottom first. I don't think I told anybody what the prizes were. I just had a picture, but here we go. First prize is the 2017-18 Upper Deck Series 1 Hobby Box. The 16-17 Upper Deck Series 1 Blaster Box. 16-17 Upper Deck Series 2 Blaster Box. 2015 Contenders Baseball Blaster. 15-16 Upper Deck Series 2 Blaster. There's two Elite 2015 Baseball Blasters up for grabs. 2015 Prism Blaster Box for baseball, 16-17 Complete Basketball Blaster, a Star Wars Rogue One Mission Briefing Blaster, 4 separate Millennium Signature Series packs. Those are always nice. Regine Houle Auto 8x10 Auto. The Jordan Stahl 0607 SP Authentic Future Watch Autograph, BGS 8.5 10 Auto. 2 Don Ross Baseball Series, 2 2014 Don Ross Baseball Rookies box sets. I'm not sending the set. The only thing really worth anything in there is the autograph, and if there's any inserts, those will be sent to you. But not the set, as it's pretty heavy unless you guys want to pay extra to ship that. There's a 10-11 Score Hockey Rookies and Tradage. Just shipping again the autos and the inserts as it's pretty heavy. There's a 2014-15 Prestige Mystery Rookie Hanger Box. I should write that's basketball. And then we have an 11-12 Upper Deck Young Gun of Cody Hodgson, KSA 9. The New Jack 2017 Leaf Wrestling Autograph, 8x10. And 2015, 2 sets of 2 packs of 2014-15 Upper Deck Series 2 Fat Packs. And the mystery giveaway cards from the last auction that CJ donated. And I'm just going to give away this way. It's the best way I could think of doing it. Anyways, guys, good luck. I'm going to copy this list. Marty and Aaron have a Marty, Aaron, CJ. Let's see here. There's top 3. I can't remember exactly who they were, but there's a bunch of you that have a lot of entries. Okay, there's the list. Scroll up. Sorry, I'm not going to go slowly, guys. I'm trying to get this to stay within the 10-minute limit. Local time 8:26. 8:26. We're going to random 3 times, just like Mike does in the clubhouse. So there's 1. Scroll down. 8:26. 8:26. Second random. Come on, don't fail. Oh, there we go. Marty's still on the top. That was random 2 times. 8:26, 8:26. Final random, guys. Good luck. Sean Noble. Let's see. There's 25 prizes, I believe there was. Oops. Why is it not copying everything? Copy that. Sorry, excuse me. Show you that I went 3 times. 8:26, 8:26. Go into here. Sorry, guys. I had to open. Actually, let's just make a new one here. Okay, those are the winners, guys. Now I'm going to go back in. I'm going to grab the prizes. Sorry. I'm going to grab the items. I'm going to random that as well to make it fair. Sorry, guys, bear with me. Mouse is acting funny today. Copy that. Go back in. Another random. Plug it in. Just make sure that goes back up. 8:27. 8:27. Random 1. Again, 827, 827. Random again. And final random, guys, 827, 827. It's gone 2 times. Third and final random. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Copy that over. And 828, 828. 3 times. Sheet 3. Let's get this thing cleaned up a bit here. Okay, let's increase that a bit so you guys can see it. Okay, first Sean Noble gets a Millennium Signature Series pack. Willie Bugle. Wow, I think he only had 3 entries. Just shows you don't need that many to win. Willie, you won the 2015-16 Upper Deck Series 2 Blaster. Tim Smith, 2015 Prism Blaster, Baseball Blaster. Scott Raymond, a Millennium Signatures pack. Harvey Todd Timmons, the Jordan Stahl, BGS 8.5 10 auto. Marty, you won a Millennium Signature Series pack. Andrew, the Rogue One box blaster. Patrick Rubel, you won the Region Hool 8x10 auto. Craig Mackian, you won the Score Rookies and Traded. Aaron, you won a mystery giveaway cards from CJ. Sean Noble, you won the 2014 Baseball, the rookie set, one of them. Marty, you won the 2015 Contenders Blaster. Craig, you won the 2016 Upper Deck Series 2 box. Aaron Antonello, you won the Millennium Series pack. And you won number 15, the Prestige Mystery Rookie Hanger box. Craig, you won the 2015 Elite Baseball Blaster. Aaron, you won the New Jack Leaf auto. Mike Trowbridge, the 16-17 Series 1 Blaster box. Aaron Antonello, the Don Ross Rookies Baseball set. John Tobacco, back-to-back, the Elite Baseball Blaster and a Series. You won the Series 1 2070. You won the big prize, the 17-18 Hobby Box. I'm going to try to get that out to you guys. Mark Levy, you won the 14-15 Upper Deck Series 2 Fat Pack. Sean Noble, the Complete Blaster Box. Nick, you won 2 Fat Packs. And CJ, you won the Cody Hodgson KSA 9 Young Gun. So there you have it, guys. Let's go back in here. Oh, guys, I forgot to hit live in here. You guys saw it all live anyways. But anyways, guys, there you have it. It's all recorded. I'll post it up here as soon as get everything set up. I'm going to try to ship everything to you guys. Alright? So, oh no, I did put live. Guys are still talking. There it is right there. Time 8:31. 8:31. I will try to get stuff out to you guys sealed, but sometimes I can't because of the weight and the size of the package I'm sending to you. But if I can pack it away, I will send it away out to you guys sealed. Alright, thanks again, guys. I'm going to see what I can put in the boxes, and then I'll log on later on in my personal page. If you guys want to send me a friends thing, and I'll add you there. Anyways, guys, thanks again. I'm signing off now. Thanks.